All right, so we're just about ready to wrap up this portion of the build. Just got a couple more things to do here. I got that thing in up there. I've got, let's see, the dash together. Of course, remember I've gotten this thing here, those in. This thing's all set up, wired in, already ready to go. Actually, it even has power to it. One of the cool things I found out is, I guess you, right here, let's see if we can get closer to see. You push this little button here. That's the reset. Now it's actually got power to it, to the thing in there. Is actually, the thing actually works. I don't know the whole circuit yet. I have no idea. Yeah, I've just been working on this. I know the candle's not in the right position, but it opens and shuts. That's all I'm worried about right now. So I got that working. There's still a light bulb that's not in here yet, but I really don't know that part of the circuit. I'm gonna have to figure that out when I get the lift done. Getting ready to put away my oval window parts. I got them all boxed up there. I was at the swap meet. I found this broken mirror here. It had, most of the rubber was on it. It's kind of jacked up, but I bought that and just took the rubber off of it to save this mirror. These are European mirrors, if you're wondering. I know a guy said, that's not original. No, these are European. These are original European mirrors. These are the mirror supports and rods. Got all those cleaned up and painted. And then there's this thing here. I cleaned these up. And they're actually brass. So I didn't know that, or whatever. Is that brass? Yeah, brass. And so is this bolt. So kind of cool. We'll get that all assembled up. Check it out. I know you guys are gonna jinx me. All right, got that pin out. Now we can put in the mirror. Good luck. Wish me luck on this. I already had straightened out these threads too. You see, put a tap on them. Doesn't look like it's going to line up right now. So I got to open the door up. But you guys are in the way. All right, don't get me now. I gotta get this thing in here. Oh, how about that? It found its way in the first part of the hole. You can tell right now, it's not going to be fun. Well, I spared you guys the anguish of watching me chip the paint. So I went ahead and did that off camera there. And let's see, this thing goes, not like that, does it? It goes, yeah, this one's got a different angle than the other one. Because it goes another way, I'll show you. It's got this little thing here. It's got this thing that goes like this, right? And then it's got this little thing that goes, I'm not sure how it goes, but it goes, I don't know, oh, like this, like that. That's how it goes. So I got that little clamp I got to put on, and that bar. I'll put that on real quick for you and let you guys check it out. All right, so that's how that looks. Got the brass piece here and that weird thing there. That's how it was, I think. I don't think that went down below. No, because then it would interfere with this thing. Had to be like that. So, anyway. Funky. Alright, so I got the pump in. And getting that thing in there was, still haven't got all the lines hooked up to it. I just want to get it off the floor. So I got it in there. I'll pull the pulley off later. Get the hose changed at some point maybe. But I just wanted to get it in so it's not in the way. I got this thing all set here. I got the air cleaner on. So all we got to do now is get the plates, license plates for it. So that's got to get done. And then I have to take it out to get a weigh it. So I'll show you guys that stuff later. I guess hang out, you know, not in this video, but I'll show you. We'll find out how much it weighs. That'll be interesting to know, right? Without the lift on it, of course. I don't want to weigh it without on it. I'll pay for all those weight fees for a little old truck that I don't even drive. That's where they are here. So anyway, that's it for this. I'll just want to show you guys a real quick update here, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. So please like, share, and subscribe. I was just working on my other van for a while, doing some stuff. They're trying to get me to put it in the magazine, so it just needed some stuff underneath done, and maybe gonna clean it up, but I don't know if they'll get the photo shoot done this weekend or not. It's kind of cool. Tell you about that a little bit more later. And that's my camper, so they really liked it at the show I was at, and then want to put it in one of the magazines. Actually, maybe more than one, so we'll find out later. I'll talk to you in the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe.